This is the morning garden, folks. I'm in here working on the refrigerator, but I'm giving you an update because I came in and I gotta plant these out. I'll wait till tomorrow and I'll do it. Definitely tomorrow. Still got the heater running, as you can see. But these are all at least 50% germinated, and these are the collard greens. Some cells just didn't take. And I don't know why the kale. This is a tray that's got 3 plants in it. So what I mean by that is you got here you got the mustard, and here you got the spinach. Spinach is here. That's the spinach, just came out. Swiss chard. There we go. Swiss chard, slowly coming out. And this tray belongs to being the sun now. These haven't appeared yet. They're different melons and things like that, and cucumbers. These here, slow germination. That's kale, slow. I guess the seeds weren't all that good, viable. I'm going to have to replant. Okay, this has been the morning garden.